Edo 2020. Obaseki don round off campaign for Edo North and he vowed to end godfatherism for Edo State. Edo State Governor and candidate for People's Democratic Party (PDP), Godwin Obaseki, don finish im word-to-word re-election campaign for Edo North Senatorial District and he promised to end godfatherism as na dat one dey cause wahala on top the growth and development for Edo State. Obaseki tok dis one wen im dey follow party faithfuls dey tok for Ward 7 of Esako East Local Government Area on Sunday 16 August 2020 as he tell the people to support am with plenty votes make im for fit fight godfatherism comot for Edo State patapata. He tok say September 19 election wey dey come so na serious one and he want make Edo move forward.
Say within 24 months, if I not tie this road, make una not call me governor. How long be the road? They say now only 12.7 kilometers. That one far. Since this place don't start, when I mean say government never put roads come here. And you are part of Edo State. And you have produced sons and daughters in government. We have even produced commissioner. Anyway, make we leave that. Make we leave that in the past. Because this campaign is about going forward. And in going forward, there are certain things we must do. Certain very basic things. First, you must build roads. Because if you not build road, people not go feel move.
For Edo Ward 8, Governor Obaseki thank the leaders of the party and the members of his campaign team for their time and sacrifice throughout the campaign wey start 2 weeks ago. Obaseki tell the people to defend their votes and he promised to shook mouth put for the kingship quarter wey dey for Afokpila.
Our government come September 19th will emphasize youth empowerment and women empowerment. Okpila is very blessed. Now only Okpila for this country, one town, you get 2 cement companies. So there's no reason why we cannot look for work, for job, for the youths. There's no reason why we cannot secure Okpila. So my message to you today is that September 19th is a day you have to make a decision. Whether you want Okpila to go forward or you want it to go backwards. Do you want it to go forward? You want Okpila to go forward? What do? Vote PDP.
I want me to hear for Iyamo say on the 19th of September, we go use our PVC. Take 218. You sure? If you know say on the 19th of September, we go use our PVC. Vote PDP, pepper them. Make us soon our hands. Chair, they are ready, oh. Are you ready? Are you ready? So, I can assure you, Your Excellency, that by the special grace of God, September 2020, 2020, we are going to deliver Ward 5 to you 90%. The few people, the challenge we had during the APC time, people like Alhaji Kadiri Afekwa alias Oyoro, the state deputy chairman, the local government deputy chairman, Abdulrahman Afekwa, all of them have joined the chain of PDP.
So we are very grateful, but this is our road. We need to do our road. I want to stop us. This road They do have for us. We don't get problem. Everything will be okay. We'll vote for her. Yes, we receive Obaseki as a governor. So we need to complete. Yes, remain 4 years. We need to complete that. We need that to complete that. Yeah.
Chairman for Edo PDP Campaign Council, Dan Obi, tell Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to make sure say Edo people vote count for September 19 election, because from waiting indoor they observe, it shows say Edo people go vote for Godwin Obaseki and him deputy Philip Shaibu to come back for second term.
The only thing we una go do for us, after una vote that day, una go wait, make them count the result, make them declare the result. Make nobody live there. Una go stay, make them count result and make them declare result. After they don't declare Obaseki as the winner, una go start to dey celebrate. Celebration will be our portion. Must move forward. Yo.
This one are the Ogbonge informator who carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Governor Godwin Obaseki don't round off campaign for Edo North and he promised to end godfatherism come out for Edo State. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. I carry this Ogbonge informate come give una. And my name na Edo Gogo Edo Levo.